Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Ledger Flex wallet. Now this video is just for educational purpose, so make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now step 1 is just open the Coinbase application in your mobile phone, and once you are at the home section, so you will see this option like buy and sell and transfer. So just click on the transfer button, and once you click on transfer, so you will see all these options. Just choose first option, which is called send crypto, and once you click on send crypto, so like inside you will be at this page, select asset to send. You can search the asset that you want to send. Now in our case I'll use Solana. Otherwise you can just click on search and you can search whatever currency or coin do you want to send. And once chosen, just click here and they will ask you to basically paste the address where do you want to send the Solana. So make sure to go to your Ledger Flex wallet, and once you open the Ledger Flex wallet, so you will see an interface like this one. So make sure to choose the Solana from this page. Otherwise, if you have any other currency, you can just click on add account, and inside the add account you will see the currency option. So make sure to add your currency, whatever your currency is. Otherwise, just click on Solana, and once you click here you will see all these options like buy, earn and receive. So just click on the receive button, and once you click on receive, so you will see, like as you can see, select or create a new account. Now you can select an account, or if you don't have an account, just click on create a new account, and just make sure to select the Solana. And once you select the Solana, you can just copy the address, or otherwise you can just verify the address if in case you have not verified your address in Ledger Flex. So just click on this option, verify your address, and verify my address again. After that, they will ask you to select the device, like all the devices will be available, and make sure to connect your right device. And once you click or like select the device, so your address will be verified. And next you can just click on the copy address button. Just click on copy address and go back to the Coinbase, and make sure to paste the address into this section. And once you paste the address, you will see like an option like this one. So make sure to select the option, and once you click here, you will be like seeing this kind of pop-up. So make sure to enter the amount, make sure to enter the euro, whatever currency do you want to send in, or you can just select the max button as well. And once you select it, you can just click on preview, and once you click on preview, you will be like seeing these options. So just click on preview, and after that they will ask you to enter recipient details. So either you can send this option, sending to myself, and once you click here, you will just see continue. Otherwise you just need to make sure to enter the recipient details like recipient name, purpose and the address as well. So make sure to enter all these details, and after that they will ask you to review the all the stuff that you just selected, the address, network and sending time as well. So make sure to click on send now, and once you click on send now, your amount or currency will be transferred to Ledger Flex. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.